I work hard every mother day, I work hard every day, But today is my day, it's my day.
What's up, YouTube family? It's Isaac Gradeless, owner and operator of Gearvana Cell Phone Repair. I just want to say hello to everybody out there that's new, that just subscribed to the channel. I've been in my email, I've been getting new subscribers, and I want to apologize. I haven't made a video in a while, but I hope this video was worth the wait for you guys, because today I'm going to talk to you about a product that I truly believe is going to help your business, because it has helped ours tremendously. It's consistent, it's a consistent product, and yes, there's some learning curves with it, but I feel like once you get it down and you master it, you'll be able to make consistent income with this product. So first off, let's talk about what category this product is in. This product is in the category of the screen protector category, so the accessory category for your store. So this is really an accessory sale that will turn into a repair for you, depending on if the protector works or not. But there's a lot of value to this product. So first, let's talk about the differences between the two protectors that we sell in the store, and why we believe that the titanium armor liquid protector is a better fit for the customer, so then we get that repeat business if they do break it. So let's first open up the glass protector, and let's talk about the price that we purchased this for, kind of the backlog, the backstory of this glass protector, and what it does for us in the store. So like when you open it up, obviously it's these are great. We sell a ton of them. We usually buy these anywhere between 60 cents to about $1.25. That's USDs, and we turn around and sell these for 20 bucks a pop. We make good profit on them, don't get me wrong. We also offer a warranty, so if the customer does break the glass protector, not the phone screen, we will go ahead and give them another glass protector for free. We can't cover the screen because it doesn't have a warranty like that. Just the glass protector is covered. So if this breaks, we'll give you another one within the 12 months for free if you buy one for the $20. It also comes with wipes in the packages. They're easy to apply. They don't really lift. It's hard to get dust underneath them. It does add a little thickness to the screen, but overall, they are a great product. I will put the link in below for where we get our glass protectors, wholesale. I would say China's the best place to get them, but where we buy these ones is in the US, and I will share that link with you guys. So with the glass protectors though, they don't come with a screen guarantee. So let's say if you had an iPhone 10 and you buy one of our glass protectors for an iPhone 10, we are not going to cover that screen if the screen breaks. And some customers will be upset, well, why did I even pay the money for the glass protector? Some people get confused and say, no, you said the screen was, you said the screen itself would be covered, and then we run into issues with that. So we ended up putting it in on the receipt so we're not liable for it. But I would say the titanium is a better route to go. Warranty Life is backing these titanium armor protectors. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Warranty Life. They're kind of like an insurance company. They're kind of like Square Trade almost, if you guys ever heard of Square Trade. But they are backing this, and they are giving this a 1-year full screen guarantee. After you buy it, if you register it within 30 days, you will have up to 12 months of coverage on your phone. The only thing they don't cover is if you crack the glass on the back of the phone. They can't cover the back. They don't cover if you bend the device. They don't cover water damage. They do cover though even if the LCD does break. So there's also a bonus too. But let's dig into this real quick and get the backlog on this one too, and talk about what we buy it for and what we sell it for, and the benefits of this one and how this one can make you a crap load of money. So when you open up the packaging, it's going to come with a clean wipe. This is to prep the screen, the one on top, and then the bottom one is going to be the actual application itself. So after you put this one on, you're going to put the second one on. There's steps on how to do it. It's super, super easy. And then also too, inside the packaging, it comes with the guarantee card that shows you how to register the product. So the store that is selling this cannot register the product. The customer has to do it themselves. If the store does it and they catch it, they will deny the claim at that point. The customer is at their own fault pretty much. They need to register this within 30 days. And we stress it to the customer. Right when we sell this to them, we say, hey, you have 30 days to register this. Here's the card. It's easy to follow. This is really all you need after we put this on. It's super easy to do. A 10-year-old kid can do it. And once we stress it like that, we don't have any issues. We haven't had any problems, honestly, since we've been selling this. So let's talk about the price that we buy this at, and what we sell it for, what we're doing now in the store, and the benefits of selling this product. So titanium armor, the vendor that we get this from is a vendor called Mobile Centrics. They sell these. And if you are interested in this product and you want to be a servicer for warranty life, so if somebody were to put this on their screen and they were to break their phone, they could take it to you and you would get reimbursed the part, you would get reimbursed the labor, and then you also would get to keep the broken screen if it still had a good LCD on it. So you're gonna get 3 streams of income, and one stream of income that I'm not mentioning yet is when they pay for this too, to buy this and put this on. So right there, that's already 4 streams of income. So let's say, for example, if somebody were to buy this, and they were to buy this and purchase it, and they were to break their screen, they're gonna go onto the Warranty Life site, they're gonna see who services it, and then they can take it into your store, which is awesome. So let's say even if one of my customers bought this from me and they were in an area that was a Warranty Service Life Center, a Warranty Life Service Center, and they were registered under Warranty Life, they don't even have to necessarily get it fixed by me. They could take it to another repair shop if they have the part available, and then that repair shop would get reimbursed for it, and vice versa. So let's say if I didn't sell one in my store, and someone bought this in, let's say the next closest city to us is Ann Arbor, and they were to buy this in Ann Arbor, and Ann Arbor didn't have the part, but they wanted to get it serviced here, we would get paid at that point. So there's 2 variations of this. Mobile Centrics, I'm going to put the link in the bio. You can buy this. You can buy 2 different versions. The first one is going to be for $8.65. That is not going to come for a full screen guarantee. That's only going to cover up to $100 in the repair. So let's say if the part was a Galaxy S7 LCD with glass and they broke the LCD, and it only covers up to $100. The customer is then going to have to dish out more money. That's why we don't buy those ones, because then we know it's not worth it to the customer. We want the one with the full screen guarantee. So we pay, Mobile Centric sells these ones for $12.50. We buy them for $12.50. And right now what we're doing in the store is we're selling them for $29.99. So when we sell them for $29.99, yeah, we're not really making a lot. We're making enough to buy another one and get our money back for the one that we just bought with one of these. So we'll be able to basically replenish our stock, make a little bit of profit up front. But let's say then the customer, we put it on for the phone and they register it. Let's say if it's an iPhone 7, if the customer were to break their screen, the customer would then be able to bring their phone into the store. We would then get reimbursed for labor, and then we would get reimbursed for the parts. That's really the cool thing about it. So what we're going to end up doing, though, is we're not going to do the $29 thing anymore, though. We're getting a little bit smarter with this, and we're going to sell these for a little bit cheaper than $29, and we're going to charge a $50 deductible in the store, which we've already tested it, and there's customers that are still willing to pay. Because if the repair is going to be 100 to 120, 150, depending on what type of phone it is, especially Galaxies, you can sell this, make a little bit money selling it. You can charge them pretty much the amount of any deductible you want to when they come into the store. We're going to do a $50 deductible. We made a little bit of money on this. We're now making money when they come in the store. We're making that $50 deductible. We're now making money on that broken screen. If it's still good, we can send it back and get a credit for it. We're gonna also get reimbursed on the screen that we took out of our inventory, and then we're also gonna get reimbursed on the labor to install it. There is 5 streams of income on one product, and that's why this product is so valuable. This product is only gonna get more valuable as time goes on when insurance companies' deductibles go down and the cell phone repair industry is trying to figure out ways to compete if you don't refurbish screens. So this is gonna be a really big one for you if you're not big into refurbishing and you don't like to refurbish screens on your own. This is gonna be key for you. So I'm gonna put the link in the bio below where you purchase these, the 2 different versions, the one that has a $100 screen guarantee within the 12 months, and then also the one, the head honcho, the one that has the full screen guarantee. So the full screen guarantee is gonna cover all iPhones ranging from the iPhone 5 to the iPhone 10. It's gonna cover Galaxies from the Galaxy S5 all the way to the Samsung Note 8, and it even covers iPads. It's gonna cover the iPad mini all the way to the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. This product is gold. And I don't even get credit for doing this video. I'm gonna still put the link, and you know what? I should have contacted Molocentrics and got credit, but you know what? Giving you guys the best value and the best content is worth it for me. When I get those emails from you guys and I get those comments from you guys to keep making videos for you, and you guys are telling me that it's motivating you guys and that it's helping you guys, this is so worth it for me to share this valuable information for you. And let's say if you've already tried this and you didn't like it and you're in another place, please comment below why you didn't like this, what you liked about it, what you didn't. We all need to know, because maybe it was a way that you were positioning it. Maybe it was a way that you were positioning it to the customer. Maybe it was you not getting full value of charging them a deductible when they came into the store. Maybe you were charging them too much up front for it. Because see, the trick of the game is to get them to think about down the road. We more see like an Amazon play with this product in terms of when Amazon sells the Kindles and the Echoes and stuff like that, they sell it for super, super cheap. Even Jeff Bezos said it himself, the founder and CEO of Amazon. He even said it himself that they basically break even on their products. And the reason why they do that is because to create consistent income. So for example, if you buy the Kindle and you buy the Kindle for $49, $39, $29 sometimes, depending on if they're on sale, people are like, man, they're not making no money on these products. They're probably breaking even or making a little bit of profit, but it's what they do after with that product is what is so valuable. So if you spend $50 on a Kindle, you're more than likely gonna buy the books on it. You're more than likely gonna subscribe to Amazon Music or Amazon Prime. And that's where the money makers are at. You're probably gonna put Amazon Cloud Services on the Kindle, and that is the play that we see with this. Charge them a little bit up front for it. Get them excited about it. Once they break it, if it does break, have them bring it in the store, and you now just had 4 streams of income off of one product. So we see the potential. That's why we're pushing it out. Like I said, I'm going to put the links in the bio. Mobilecentrics, the company that you ordered this from, they will, if you just talk to them or call them, there's a number on their website, and say, hey, I want to start selling titanium armors. I want to be registered as a service center for warranty life. They will hook you up, and because they did it for me. So, and I know they will do it for you. So I hope this is valuable content. I hope this video helped you. And shout out to my technician, Caleb, the gentleman who said, Isaac, you should do a video on the titanium armors for all your subscribers, because it is a way to tell them about this product and help them make money. So shout out to Caleb. I want to say thank you for helping me get this idea for this video, because I know this content is going to be super valuable for you guys. So I hope you guys are crushing it. I hope you guys are killing it. And there's a lot of money to be made in this industry. It was nice talking to everybody. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel. We're only going to be putting out valuable content in the cell phone repair industry and how to grow your business. We're going to be doing an academy soon. We're going to be doing a video about that. And then I'm also going to be interviewing some very important people in the cell phone repair industry that I think you guys are going to like as a treat. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Please like this video and let anybody else know. If you know any other owners that own a cell phone repair business, please share this video with them. Share this channel with them, because this channel is set on helping you grow your business and helping you succeed. Thank you for watching. You guys have been great, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
I work hard every mother day.